This tutorial will help you learn how to edit programs in the Mr. Bit coding editor. This is the scene view where you can see a simulation of the microbit working in run mode. Notice that the LEDs are lit up all the time. This is exactly what the program says. It's all in plain English. The program script always shows in the text panel. The program is built into the control module, which shows when you select design mode. Here it is. It's a simple control which switches on the image straight away. But notice that the image has now switched off. As the program says, it stays on until you exit run mode. A click on the module shows the editing tabs, and you can see how the image is defined by dragging a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs. It is easily edited. Let's use some buttons to switch the image on and off. You create buttons from the Inputs gallery. Let's use button A to switch on the LEDs and button B to switch them off. Now edit the program. Click on the module to show the editing tabs. To start the sentence, drag a link from the When tab to button A. Choose the Gets Pressed setting. Click anywhere to finish. Notice how the program instruction has changed. To finish the sentence, drag a link from the Until tab to button B, and again choose the Gets Pressed setting. Again, the program has changed, and it now says what we wanted. Switch on when button A gets pressed, switch off when button B gets pressed. Check how it works by returning to run mode. Notice that the LEDs stay on after button A has been pressed once, and they wait for button B to be pressed. This is possible because we chose the Gets Pressed event for the start and stop conditions. The program waits for the event of a button getting pressed and is not simply checking the state of the button as pressed or free. Everything you have seen so far may be performed in the System view. When you select this, the control system is shown as a simple diagram with input and output blocks. The buttons work as before. Being nice and simple, it is often easier to work in this view. The control system with its program can control the microbit in control mode. Connect the microbit with a USB cable and select Control Mode from the Communicate menu. Control Mode lets you see what is going on with the microbit while the program is working. Now let's alter the program so that it shows a name on the LEDs. Select Design Mode and click the module to show the editing tabs. Drag a link from the output to the LEDs, and this time select the display type Message. We can type a name here. Here is the program working in run mode. And on the microbit in control mode. And in the scene view. Finally, here is how you can make a single button control. Break the link with button A and adjust the When setting for button B so that you can switch the LEDs both on and off.